This is a 3-inch black plastic hollow ball. This particular ball is used in a rain harvesting first flush. It's about a 3-inch diameter. It's hollow. It's somewhat thinnish plastic, but we got caught in a ice storm. The column of water in the first flush froze. The pressure forced the ball up into where it seals, and the ice expanded and it distorted the ball. Quite difficult to, and expensive actually, to just buy the ball. They don't really sell replacement parts, so this is a hack, if you will, that will repair the ball, and you will not believe it because it does an excellent job. We put it in a microwave. The heat from the microwave expands the air on the inside, softens the plastic, and the internal pressure pushes the ball out to where it's almost in perfect cylindrical shape. Don't overdo it. In my case, I put the microwave on 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, just to see, is that enough? I don't want to overdo it. And then I put it in again, and total time in the microwave was about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Your results might be different depending on the thickness of your ball and the amount of deformity that it is. So after about 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you can look through the screen in the microwave. And now this is the end result. Boom. After about 5 minutes, the ball is almost perfect. I could have put it in one more time. I didn't want to take a chance. Don't overdo it. Don't overkill it. It's good enough. Okay, here it is. The ball is complete. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it back into the first flush. This technique will work for all plastic balls, if you will. So when you're putting the ball back in the first flush, because the ball is 3 inches going into a 4-inch pipe, you kind of have to hit the ball right in the middle when you push that